Hello everyone, good morning, namaskar. Welcome back to physics class. I am Hemant Shukla and this new chapter is dual nature of radiation and matter, and in this video I am going to explain you about photoelectric effect. When ultraviolet rays or visible light falls on certain metals, then electrons are emitted from the metal surface. This phenomena is known as photoelectric effect. जब जिंक में अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज या एल्कली मेटल्स जैसे सोडियम या पोटेशियम में विजिबल लाइट गिरती है तो उससे इलेक्ट्रॉन इमिट होते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉन उत्सर्जित होते हैं। इस घटना को या इस फिनोमेना को हम फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट कहते हैं। दिस फिनोमेना ऑफ फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट वाज डिस्कवर्ड इन 1887 बाय हेनरिक हर्ट्ज during the production of electromagnetic wave experiment. Experimental study of photoelectric effect. This is setup of experiment of photoelectric effect. This is diagram for that. This is a glass tube, and in this glass tube this is a photosensitive plate known as cathode, and this is collector plate known as anode. This is connected to a battery through a rheostat and a commutator. Commutator changes the polarity of this plate. By changing the keys of commutator, we may change the polarity of this collector plate. This may be positive or this may be negative. This is a microammeter to measure the current. When light rays falls on this photosensitive plate, electrons are emitted and these electrons are accelerated towards the positively charged plate. Laws of photoelectric effect. Photoelectric current and hence number of electrons emitted from the metal emitter are proportional to the intensity of the light. जो फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट है या जो इलेक्ट्रॉन इमिट हो रहे हैं कैथोड से फोटो सेंसिटिव प्लेट से, वो लाइट की इंटेंसिटी बढ़ाने पर बढ़ जाते हैं. सो दिस इज ग्राफ बिटवीन इंटेंसिटी ऑफ लाइट एंड फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. एट सर्टेन नेगेटिव पोटेंशियल गिवन टू कलेक्टर फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट बिकम्स जीरो. दिस नेगेटिव पोटेंशियल is a measure of maximum kinetic energy of the emitted electrons. See in this circuit diagram, if with the help of commutator we change the polarity of this collector plate, suppose this is negative, so this negative potential will decelerate electrons. ये इलेक्ट्रॉन को अपोज करेगा तो एक सर्टेन नेगेटिव पोटेंशियल पर इलेक्ट्रॉन इस प्लेट पर नहीं पहुंचेंगे, बिकॉज दैट नेगेटिव पोटेंशियल will make velocity of electron zero. So this negative potential is known as cutoff potential or stopping potential, and this is a measure of maximum kinetic energy of emitted electron from this photosensitive plate. Suppose for negative potential minus V naught, photoelectric current becomes zero, then maximum kinetic energy of emitted electron K max is equal to EV naught, where E is charge of electron. The maximum kinetic energy of emitted electrons does not depend on the intensity of light. As you may see here in this graph, this is graph between potential of collector plate and intensity of light and frequency. So frequency is constant here. So if intensity becomes I2, then also maximum kinetic energy means cut off potential is same. So if frequency remains constant, then by increasing the intensity of light, cut off potential does not change. It means maximum kinetic energy does not depend on the intensity of light. Maximum kinetic energy of the emitted electrons depends on the frequency of incident light. It increases with the increase of frequency. See here in this graph, intensity is constant but frequency of light is different. For frequency nu1 cutoff voltage is minus V naught. For frequency nu 2, this is minus V naught 2. For frequency nu 3, this is minus V naught 3. Now nu 3 is greater than nu 2 and it is greater than nu 1. So as frequency increases, maximum kinetic energy of electron also increases. At certain minimum frequency of light, electrons are not emitted. This frequency of light is known as the threshold or cutoff frequency. Howsoever light may be intense, लाइट चाहे जितनी तीव्र हो, इंटेंसिटी लाइट की चाहे जितनी ज़्यादा हो, लेकिन अगर एक सर्टेन मिनिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी से कम फ्रीक्वेंसी की लाइट कैथोड पर फोटोसेंसिटिव प्लेट पर गिरती है तो इलेक्ट्रॉन एमिट नहीं होते हैं. नाउ देयर इज़ नो टाइम लैग बिटवीन एमिटेड इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड फॉल ऑफ लाइट. जैसे ही लाइट गिरती है वैसे ही इलेक्ट्रॉन एमिट हो जाते हैं. इनके बीच कोई टाइम लैग नहीं होता है. देयर इज नो टाइम लैग बिटवीन द इंसिडेंस ऑफ लाइट एंड एमिशन ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन. In next video, I will explain you why wave theory fails to explain photoelectric effect and Planck's quantum theory and Einstein's explanation of photoelectric effect. Thanks. Have a nice day.